Alright guys, I've been working on a car-like game, kind of like Twisted Metal. I've been talking about it and stuff, and well, here's my station wagon that I've been setting up and using as a base model just to learn how to do the cars in the Unity game engine. So this just something I picked real quick, and I've been setting it up for a while now, and I've got it working, but it's not finished. I mean, it doesn't feel very great and all that, but I threw a bunch of other stuff in here too, so I could drive it around. And I found this really cool old school bus I might use for something. And well, I found the Enterprise, so I made it crashed with some special effects on it. The fire's kind of floating in the air. I wonder if I can... Oh, I don't have it set up. I could drive up on it if I had it set up, but I don't have it set up. So yeah, I've been working on the vehicles in Unity for a while now, and as you can see, it's not perfect. That was a good save there. But yeah, I've got it to work though, and that was the hardest part. I still got a lot of physics things to work out and stuff, but I'll show you what I did get done. If I get out of this, do that, then hit play, and we're going to watch this left screen here. Let's do that again. I spent a lot of time getting the suspension set up. That's what I'm trying to show you here. Check that suspension out. Let's see if we can... Yeah, look at that suspension. Took a lot of time to get that right. So if we didn't have just the back view, if we could actually see it from the side, and it was going over bumps really fast, you would see the suspension working in a realistic way using a bunch of physics math and stuff. But yeah, I got that much done. I mean, that took a lot of work to get that. But now I've got to get the friction and slip and all that with the tires figured out. And but I was kind of getting burned out, so I threw together a little test world here just to play around with. And I also don't like the way this camera is set up. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the camera yet. But I'm going to want my vehicles to have guns on them. Guns and rocket launchers and stuff. It's going to be like Twisted Metal. Vehicles shooting at each other type of game. Yeah, I haven't got it all set up just right, but I'm getting there. So all right, later.